Let's see if we can drag a little bit more control out of this pen tool. Let's go ahead and pick it up over here. Now you'll notice that we have other tools associated with the pen tool if we click and hold. We have an add, delete, and convert anchor point tool. So let's come over here to this little button and click and tear off that tool panel. I like that feature. All of those tools allow us to modify a shape while we're working on it. We can add, subtract, or convert the points. So we can use these to make that happen, or we can do it all with just one tool. So let's do this. Let's make a pyramid again. That's a pretty easy, safe shape, I suppose, to work with. And I'm going to hold the Shift key over here, and I'm going to come back up and close it off. Here we go. Our beautiful pyramid. I want to modify the pyramid. Maybe I want to make it a trapezoid. Maybe I want to remove something or add a pen point. Maybe I want to make them smooth as opposed to curved. That's what these do up here. Now, if you click this one right here, and you come over here, you can add a pen point anywhere you want. If you click this one, you can delete any anchor point that already exists. And if you click this one, you can convert straight points into smooth or vice versa. But guess what? You can do it all with the pen tool. So we've just made our shape. Computer's wondering what we're going to do next. I decided that maybe I need some more points on this thing. So without going to any one of these tools, and I have the pyramid selected, that is important. So you might want to hold down the Control key, which is temporary selection, and make sure you have it selected. If I come over to any place on the path that does not have an anchor point, what I can do is click, and I can add an anchor point. If I come over here to the other side, I'll get a plus sign again. I can click to add another anchor point. I did not use that tool. If I want to get rid of an existing anchor point, all I have to do is touch an anchor point until I see the negative sign come up. Now you have to be careful. You got to get right on it. You see that negative, click, and you get rid of it. So we've got more of a trapezoid thing going on right now, I guess. Now the last one you selected, this is nice to know too. The last one you selected actually is right here. And that one is active, which means if I want to move that one, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to touch anything. After I deleted that one, I can use my up and down arrow keys to get it exactly where I want it to be. And again, I'm still using the pen tool. The last one is a convert. It converts straight points to smooth and smooth to straight, whatever you got. So if I come over here and hold the Alt key down, Alt key in Windows, Option on a Mac, same key, different name. I love when they do that. And I come over to one of these anchor points, say right about here, I can make it a smooth point. I can do the same thing over here, hold the Alt key down. Sometimes what I like to do, because it's hard sometimes to tell you're really on the point, and you click on it and it actually gives you a warning saying you're not on a point, you've got to try again, is don't hold the Alt key down until you see the negative sign. Then hold the Alt key down because it doesn't give you an indication. So that's a way to tell, just to be sure that I'm on that point. And now when I hold down the Alt key and drag, I'm guaranteed it'll do it. I'm making something a bit wonky, I know. If I then come over to this point again, hold the Alt key down and click, it'll convert the smooth point into, or back into in this case, a straight point. All of the tools that we have up here, love to use them, are all incorporated by default into this one. The key is remembering that the object that you're changing must be selected. After that, just follow the cursor. On to the next.